Hello, my name is Johan Falk. You have come to the fourth exercise in the track called Documentation Site from the book Drupal 7 The Essentials, which I am currently writing and recording exercises for at the same time. This exercise is described like this. I'm going to show you how to perform this exercise if you want to have some help with it. It's called TopicTags, and it goes like this. As site member, I want to be able to add freely chosen topics as tags to documentation pages and collections. This is important since it allows me to create another level of structure to the online documentation, making it easier to browse and search. That's kind of sensible in an online documentation site. We have some how-to demo steps that provides us with more information about this. Log into the site, okay, edit an existing documentation page and add one or several topic tags. Verify that you can add new topics, okay, so we should be able to add new topics from the node edit pages. Add a documentation collection and tag it with at least one of the topics used in the documentation page, okay. Verify that topics for both documentation page and collection appear as links, okay. They should be rendered as links. Verify that the topic used on both nodes, the link for it probably, leads to a list containing both the documentation page and the collection. Okay, so we should get links for each topic, lists for each topic. Cool. We have some required preparations here. The site should have documentation pages and collections as described in the first exercises in this suite. Right. Let's go then. This is the chapter about taxonomy. This is the only exercise about taxonomy right now for this chapter and this track. We have here the site I'm building with. I have the content types, documentation collection, and documentation page. That's good. And I'm going to add myself a new vocabulary to work with these. Add a vocabulary. I'm going to call it topic. Description. Topics are used to describe documentation pages and collections, making them easier to browse and search. Great. Save. Descriptions, always add descriptions. I'm kind of picky about that, but really you should. You're helping yourself, you're helping your end users, you're helping other developers on your site, so do it. Good. Right, now we have a vocabulary here. Now I'm going to go into content types and start with documentation page, and I'm going to go right into manage fields. This is the admin menu module providing this nifty tool up here. And I'm going to add a new field called topic, field docs page topic, and this will be a term reference. This is kind of tricky. Term references are the most complex field types you get in Drupal core. They are maybe a bit more complex than node references even, because they have a widget here called autocomplete term widget, which allows tagging, adding new terms while writing inside the node edit form. Okay, and I'm actually going to put this topic under the title, but below the title, but above the body. Save. It relates to topic, not to tags. And then I get more settings for this field, topic, help text. What I'm gonna write, topics help other users on the site to find and understand your documentation pages. Please try to use topics that others use as well, since content sharing the same topics can be listed together. Great, I'm gonna actually copy this so I don't have to write all of this in the next node type. Right, I'm scrolling down. I will allow unlimited number of values. The user store doesn't say anything about that, so I'm going to use what I find sensible. That's a sensible thing to do as a developer. If you're uncertain, you should talk to the client directly. Nothing beats communication, I promise. Okay, now we have this topic field here in the documentation pages. Good. And I'm going to go into, come on here, documentation collections and manage fields and add a new field. I could here reuse the existing field here, docs page topic, and that would work just fine until the day I want to have these fields to behave differently. So I'm actually gonna create a new field that is right now identical except for the machine name, because it gives me flexibility and I don't lose anything. Topic field docs collection topic, term reference, and I'm going to use autocomplete here too. And again, I'm going to put it just below the title. Save. It relates to topics. Tags is a vocabulary that you get in the standard Drupal installation as some kind of demonstration. Here, topics help other users understand your documentation collection. Please try to use topics that others use as well, since content sharing the same topics can be listed together. Great. And I allow any number of topics for each collection. Right now, maybe 2 weeks from now, the client will change his or her mind, and then I will be happy that I can change these both term reference fields separately. Okay, good. Let's see. Did I miss anything here? And we should be able to add one or several tags, topic tags. We should be able to do the same on the documentation collections. I think that's it. Okay, so in the next screencast, I'm going to display what this looks like in practice. See you there.